Hey yo! I still like to, it's Chriso. I still like to do the bandage as well. The bond breaker, yes, it's very, very important. In a shower, I like to do the bandage as well. Some just do the bond breaker, the polyurethane. I don't do the bandage outside a shower. Just the bond breaker polyurethane. Just cutting a few. I also like to use sort of shorter strips, not full length. I find it easier. Yeah, you know. The beauty of this stuff is, if you know, like I get 20 litres of it. What I don't use, I just go to the next job. Dee 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 dee. Da 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 da. Now look at that. This stuff is very important, I reckon. Because you always get movement with walls and floor. This holds it together. Press it in nicely. Piece of piss. A DIY can do their own waterproofing, but just concentrate on what you're doing, everyone, you know. Always paint on. I harp on about that all the time. When you're overlapping, paint some on and it'll stick nicely. I've got a little bit of grit under there. It's cool. DIY is if you concentrate on what you're doing, you'll never have a leak. You know, you see on some YouTube channels where an inspector has been in, and like there's major mistakes done. Like first coat, one coat Charlie, you know, nah. No need for it. Don't try and save money on glue, and don't try and save money on waterproof. Why tilers daub their tiles is they're trying to save glue, because they haven't priced their job well enough, and they try and save money or claw back a bit. It's not worth it. God. Not worth it, dude. The owner sheeted this bathroom. He's a Sparky. He's done all right. You know, with your sheeting, it doesn't have to be super perfect. You just bog it up. If you've got a little bit wider joins like here, you just bog it up. Prop it up. I'll tell you what though, when I've still got a strained back now, but far out, oh bloody, whew, I've never felt so much pain, and I'm no wuss. I've never felt pain so severe running down my leg, down the sciatica nerve. But yeah, shit, that is sore, boy. What's this going to be? Internal corner. This is how you do an internal corner. Oh, I haven't quite got it right there. Slap some in there, so it's got something to stick to. See this? I use it for a lot of things. Or that one, or that one, or that one, or that one, you know, like, oh, unlimited. On a serious note now, people, you see that internal corner? Now that's the first coat. That will never leak, people. I shit you not. I could use a little bit longer. Bandage now, but I find it a bit hard to get my wrinkles out. But let's give it a go. My legs is still a bit sore from back, and I've got to push myself up, so if you see me pushing myself up, that's what I'm doing. They call me Mellow Yellow. A lot of you people wouldn't even remember that song. It was a bit of a shit song, actually. You always waterproof above your water. So like to there, see that? That's about where you waterproof. And that's it, people. That is one internal corner done with your polyurethane and your bandage and your bottom, which is very important. Then when you have that sort of thing, all you do, peel your gloves off. Brilliant. I don't know what these are worth, like, I don't know, 15 bucks. It's a no-brainer. I'll switch the camera off, put on my radio, and keep going. See you soon. This is Chris O. Subscribe to my channel. Help it grow, people. If you like what you see, if you're learning anything, subscribe and you'll learn more. I won't be coming up too high right up to my top because my polyurethane is stopping all water. The waterproofing doesn't stick to plastic and doesn't stick to aluminium that good. That's why I use polyurethane. See you soon.